at Band 6 in IELTS Writing Task 2? Want to achieve Band 9, but do not have the essential vocabulary to increase your band score? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to share 15 essential words helping you to boost your lexical resource score and to achieve 9 bands in IELTS Writing Task 2. Hello everyone, this is Yesha from IELTSmaterial.com, your IELTS expert, helping you to prepare for IELTS, write correct answers, and get higher band score in your IELTS test. For free IELTS preparation, please subscribe to the channel and turn the bell icon. Now let's discuss the 15 essential words. These are the common topics in Writing Task 2. And today we are going to focus on the topic environment. And these are the Band 9 vocabulary to boost your score. So let's go to each and every word, learn the meaning, and also try to make sentences. The first word is acid rain, meaning rain that has harmful chemicals in it from factories or industries, etc. And the sentence can be, the governments of both USA and Canada are trying to solve problems caused by acid rain in a number of ways. The second word is biodegradable, a substance that is capable of being decomposed by bacteria or other living organisms. So we can say biodegradable substances. Bacteria can process toxic waste and oil spills into harmless biodegradable materials. Biodegradable materials means the one that can be destroyed by bacteria. The third one is contaminated. The meaning of contaminated is spoiled. The meaning of contaminated is actually called as spoiled. To add a substance which will make something dirty or harmful. The town's drinking water was contaminated with poisonous chemicals. Let's take the fourth word, deforestation. Cutting off trees over a large area or cutting a large number of trees in the forest. The destruction of trees by charcoal burners has resulted in the almost complete deforestation of the island. Deforestation is the destruction of the forest by cutting the trees. Destruction of forest. This is the actual meaning. Let's take the fifth word, ecosystem. The surroundings, or we can call it as our environment and the elements of our environment. All plants and animals in a particular area considered together with their surroundings. And the sentence can be, the farmers raised the fish in their rice fields in a perfect ecosystem, or it says in a perfect environment. Let's take the sixth one, genetically modified. Food or plants that have been grown from cells whose genes have been changed artificially. So it can also be called artificial ingredients. Genetically modified products, including cotton, cannot be used to manufacture organic clothing. So artificial products cannot be used to make any organic product or organic food. Let's take the seventh one, environmentalist. This is a group of people, a person who wants to protect the environment. Babies may experience more skin rashes when wearing polyester, and some environmentalists believe that polyester also harms the environment. So this is related to this environmentalist. Let's take the word 8, that is global warming. You all know what is global warming. The increase in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere caused by the increase of certain gases. The sentence can be, ocean water quality is also affected by global warming. Next, organic. Organic means pure. Food produced by or using natural materials without artificial chemicals. People who buy organic food, for instance, are not doing it simply because they have more money. It is because they are concerned about their health. So this particular word can be taken in concern to the health. Next is Pesticides, that is, chemicals used to kill small insects during farming or agriculture. A chemical substance that is used for killing insects that eat food crops. Growing your own vegetables, for instance, ensures that no harmful pesticides or herbicides are used. This is called as home farming. 11th one, pollution. The action of making air, water, etc. dirty and dangerous, that is hazardous. The sentence can be, major steps are being taken to control the pollution of beaches. That is, major steps are being taken to control the hazardous chemicals not to gather around the beaches. Next, rainforest. A thick forest in tropical parts of the world that have a lot of rain. So that is, it contains a lot of rain throughout the year. The tropical rainforest biome is one of the test productive areas on Earth. Next, recycle. To put used objects and materials through a process so that they can be used again. The examples can be paper recycling, clothes recycling. So all these can be done. We return the plastic bags to the grocery store for them to recycle. So those plastic bags are recycled again and made into new plastic so that that can be used by the people once again. Next is renewable. The resources, those can be renewed or they exist. They always exist. The sentence can be, wood is one of the main renewable resources. What can be the other example of renewable resources of energy? That is solar energy, the sun, the wind, the air, the rain. So these are all renewable resources. Emissions, chemical substances, the gases or the air that is emitted, released or discharged, the meaning is, and the sentence can be, carbon emissions are the key problem causing global warming. Have I missed any of the essential vocabulary? If yes, then please do mention those words in the comment section below, and also we would try to add those words in the next video. If you feel that this particular video has been informative, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel to achieve 9 bands in your IELTS writing task 2. And for free IELTS learning, please do follow our channel to be updated related to IELTS examination. Thank you.